This is the Professional Pet Grooming Kit, and it comes with everything you need all in one kit. And the nice thing with this product is that if you have an anxious pet, this is low noise and low vibration, so they're not going to be. You're going to have a much easier time with them by using this product. It is rechargeable and cordless. It is has an ergonomic design to it, so it's easy to hold, very comfortable to hold, and even the hardest parts of getting your dog is just really a breeze with this. It has an automatic, adjustable, and safe sharp blades, and it comes with a whole bunch of things. You get the clippers, of course, and the charger, the oil, cleaning brush. It comes with 4 guards. And then you get some extra things too. You've got some nail clippers, some nail files, a comb, 2 types of grooming scissors, and of course the instruction manual. And it really is a very, very nice kit. Well worth you. You're going to be surprised at how inexpensive that this is. You're going to really love this. It's worth every penny. Go ahead and pick one up, give it a try, and let me know what you think of it.